Okay, everyone, let's meet Jackson. He can't wait to tell you about finding community and belonging at Northwestern through all kinds of unexpected avenues. UNW is constantly making improvements to the student experience, including new ways for students to explore challenging topics in chapel and engaging campus-wide events. Jackson, we have questions and you have answers. Take it away.
Thanks, Alex. Hey, when I started thinking about my college experience, I actually had my heart set on another school. It was important to me to both further my education and my spiritual growth. It was my mom who actually inspired me, if you will, to apply to the University of Northwestern. And at the end of the day, I'm super glad it turned out the way it did. UNW really won me over through the basketball recruiting process, but my first year playing was rough. I got injured less than halfway through the season and spent months figuring out what was wrong. One of my coaches asked me what the Lord was telling me through this journey. And I realized the Lord used basketball to get me to Northwestern, but that's not why he wanted me at Northwestern. I was having a really hard time swallowing this pill, but at the end of my first year, I got recommended to be an admissions tour guide. I got to help cultivate student leadership and pour into potential incoming students through tours and admission events. I'd say it has been one of the most fun things for me. The community here is everything. Being completely transparent, life is hard. College is hard. When life has gotten hard for me, the Northwestern community has shown me nothing but grace. I'm able to have conversations with professors, deans, public safety officers, and all other staff members. Everyone here is unique, and there's a culture of love. The small campus allows you to see familiar faces and truly become part of the community. At Northwestern, I've learned the importance of investing in one another. We may not always agree, but with respect and love, we can cultivate a sense of belonging. That's what's special about Northwestern. Take it back, Alex.
Jackson, it's so cool to see how God called you to Northwestern. The environment at UNW is what truly creates long-lasting friendships and relationships. Fostering these connections with peers, staff, and faculty really allows students to have an immersive campus experience. Thanks so much, Jackson.